Good morning, everybody. Here to wash out another t-shirt. This is our neon tricolor. It's the classic tricolor spiral.
Using our new paint.
What do we use? Dragon fruit, glacier blue, and lemon yellow, I believe. Wonderful tricolor. What a beautiful tie-dye. And get it rinsing kind of clear out here, and then we'll move it on inside to the hot water. To the inside.
Let's go.
All ready to get it unbanded. Get it unbanded. I personally love these tricolors. I think they're one of the greatest. I like making a lot from little, and this is a fine example of that. Got so many pretty colors. See what we got. Ooh, that's nice. Awesome. Cool. Look at all that good definition. Oh yeah, perfect spiral.
Okay.
Wonderful tricolor. Nice. Nice. Scared of that one hard. And here's the final result. Check that out. Wow. So many beautiful colors off of just 3 dyes. Look at that, people. Good gradient, good transition. Didn't get all muddy. Very nice. Nice purples and pinks and greens. But yeah. Good old neon tricolor. It's amazing what you can make with just 3 dyes, isn't it? I would say. Let us know what you think in the comments below and what you'd like to see us try to do next. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.